Good day, HYBASIA family. I am in Galveston, Texas, USA. Welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, please do. It's free, y'all. Please watch to the end. It helps support the channel. Thumbs up, like, comment, and share. It gets more people the opportunity to see these videos. And y'all, if you have anything you want to ask me, please do in the comments. Come fly with me today from Galveston, Texas to the Gambia and back again. I'm going to show you the updates from the food forest in Jambanjelly, a village in the Gambia where permaculture is being taught on a weekly basis, and the land is flourishing, y'all. In 1 or 2 years we're gonna open it up to the public so they can come in and see how our learning resource lab is progressing, and they'll be able to ask us all type questions, buy products from us like a farmer's market. They'll be able to take permaculture classes as well. People inside of the community will be able to do it free of charge, and people outside of the community for a small charge to help support us, y'all, because we do pay people to maintain the property, keep the food forest going. We all working together for the good of everyone. What we learn in Africa, Jambanjelly, the Gambia, can be applied anywhere, including here in the USA, where I actually practice permaculture in my own backyard. So come with me, fly with me to Jambanjelly, and then come back and see how my yard is doing. Y'all, my figs are almost ready. I'm gonna let y'all see, okay? Hold on. Come on, come.
Today, mashallah. So most of the people knows this. Even here, some of the people don't know much about it. You call them grapes. Here we want to try everything. You see, as long as you don't try, you'll always fail. But if you try, it's a sense of success. So we're going to try this. This is why we put it here, and we're going to make a nice canopy for it, so that you can even pass by it. So we want to try it here and see how it looks like. Although for many other gardens I saw, grapes are doing very well. So, and grapes is among the fruits that we should be promoting by virtue of being very delicious, and it tastes very nice. So these are not common here, but we want to try it. Success comes when you never give up. Thank you so much. So I'm going to plant it here. You put little water for me in the hole. Yeah. Keep planting. Anytime you plant, you are adding something to the environment. Yeah, thank you. So these are grapes here. So now, yeah, you can put water there. So now to support it so that it can grow taller. Thank you. So we all keep eye on it and see how it grows, huh? Thank you. Cover Saba Senegalensis. We call it Saba Senegalensis. It's a very nice, climbing fig, and it can fruit year round. And here the demand is very high. It's even more expensive than most of the fruits in the Gambia, because people are always willing and ready to pay for it. Anytime you see kaba, you love it. But today, natural ones are on the extinction. So we feel as environmentalists, preserving for sustainability and for the next generation, trees like this has to be planted from seed. to maturity. So this is why we don't even hesitate. Even if it is going to take 100 years, we are ready to plant it here so that the next generation can see how much we take, how much we sacrifice we made for them, so that they can have it on the food table. So the whole idea is anything that people eat, we have to preserve it. We have to make sure that we have it now and for the next generation. And looking at what is happening globally, or even in the country, people are not thinking about planting trees like kava because they are wild trees. They are bush trees, they are forest trees. And here our concept is to create a food forest. So this is how we are different with many others. So you don't want to do it alone. The reason why we are making all this video, for you to see that it's possible and we can do it. This is why we are followed to do. So we are harvesting. We thought it will be bigger than this, but after assessing, we realized that they cannot be bigger than this. Because onion, this time we are a little bit late because we bought the first, do the nursery, then the only few that succeeded, we planted. Now the second phase is this one. Now it's almost ready for harvesting. So this is why today I say we have to harvest. So that's what we are doing. So the beauty about agriculture is now, you forget about the time you are making beds, you forget about the time you make it nursery, you forget about the time you are even weeding. Because why? Because you are looking at the results of your sacrifice. That is the fruit of your labor. Imagine from seed, if you can have this, so it's worth it. Today, alhamdulillah, it's very expensive at the market, even though it's small, but it will save us money, time and energy. The best food, I always repeat, is the one you plant, you grow, you care, and of course you harvest and you eat by your own self. So please, let's keep planting. Let's try grow our own food wherever possible. You'll never regret it. So we started benefiting, and we also want you to enjoy as we are enjoying. This is a food forest. It's onion time, and inshallah you'll keep harvesting as things go. We have bananas here, we have lemon here, we have push trees.
So we are still harvesting, Mr. Baji.
Yeah, we are still harvesting. So this is the second phase of, we did the first part, now this is the second part, and this is what we were able to harvest so far. Very simple to harvest, you see, and then you remove it. So fresh, natural, even though small, but very healthy. All is organically produced, no chemical. You see, from the planting to harvesting, it's almost 3-4 months.
Almost a half bag. Almost a half bag.
From this small area, and this is just a trial. Yeah, so we hope inshallah next time we can do more because we have big space for onion. So
And this is just for the
onion
experiment.
can work here because monkeys were also disturbing. That's why aubergine, bitter tomato, we have to sacrifice them. Now spring onion is coming, yeah, and then now the sweet pepper. So those are the ones on the cultivation. So we have started some nursery tomato and other garden egg and bitter tomato. Yeah, thank you. So we are still harvesting, huh? Baraka.
Right.
Yeah, the lime is coming. Still, it's yet to be ripe. Yeah, planted almost a year ago, but today, alhamdulillah, these are the fruits of what we did within 6 months or within a year. And nothing was here before. 1 year ago, nothing was here. But thank God we have our bananas, we have our everything. Thank you so much. We are almost done for today, and this is what we are dreaming. If you start something good and you see success coming, it's a plus for you. But the success is not a success by one person. It is collective success. That's what we are dreaming. Teamwork, working together, that's what we should all advocate for. Thank God today we are able to harvest onion. Last week we harvested some onion, and today also we harvest. So if things continue in this way, almost every day we will be harvesting. This is why we want to promote this concept of food forest. Permaculture is a new system in the Gambia where most of the people are not still aware, but this is a living example of it. And I believe with time, people will be aware of it, because it says noise is always hard if you make it. Yeah, so we are only making noise. And one day, if it is hard, we can see a lot of changes happening. So I'm here with happiness and also grateful to the team, because I cannot do it alone, and it has been a dream and now it become a reality. So we are also very grateful to everyone who is following us, who are following our activities, and our dear mom for everything you're doing to support us and to make people aware of what we are doing.
We are back in the USA now. I know my banana trees look like I'm in the Gambia still, but not. They grow everywhere, y'all. My sunflower was loving it. And my figs, y'all. Look at that. Getting yellow. See? Green, yellow. They'll be ready to eat in a little while. And I'm going to let y'all see me when I take them off the vine. Well, off the branch and eat it, y'all. My fig tree. So happy. I don't know how long this little tomato will keep giving tomatoes, y'all. I don't know. Got a couple of them left before I guess it's finished for its little season. Cherry tomatoes. Okinawa sweet potatoes, y'all. Doing good. And here's our mustard, y'all. Looking so nice and fresh. I just watered them. My boysenberries. My red okra, red okra. It's looking good, y'all. Every day the garden looks a little bit different. My boysenberries. More of my mustard. This one is starting to look more like a mustard, because these was looking to me like lettuce from here, but on the video it looks like mustard. More of my okra. Okra, y'all. I'm getting blessed with okra. That one okra that I'm letting go to seed. More okra. Some of the stuff, y'all, I don't even know what it is. I give it a chance to declare itself, and if it don't look like nothing, then I pull it. Because I have limited space in this little box. There's boysenberry over there. Yeah, it's limited space in this one, so I have to limit what grows in it. Not like the food forest in the Gambia, where we have lots of space for even more diversity. But it's a lot of diversity in this little bitty raised garden bed. You can start anywhere, y'all. Whether y'all start in a container or a small garden bed, or simply plant it in the ground. These sunflowers grow by themselves now. I only planted them one time, y'all. Look at that. The seeds go everywhere and the birds bring it everywhere. The wind and the birds. I think this is a bitter leaf, y'all. Even have strawberries growing strawberries. Sunflowers growing sideways, y'all. My lizard. I like seeing my creatures in the USA as well as when I'm in the Gambia. They're part of our ecosystem, y'all. Very important part of the ecosystem. Remember, if you have not subscribed, please do. It's free, y'all. Comment, like, share down below. It helps the algorithm share the opportunity of knowing about permaculture and about us at the Food Forest. Thank you so much. We appreciate and love all of you. I hope you enjoyed the journey with me. And until we fly back to the motherland, yes, the people still can fly, but you have to do it in here and through manifesting. So until the next time, y'all, peace, peace, power to the people. And I'm out, y'all. Bye.